Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. For this video, we will be reviewing the Dee-G mini Bluetooth speaker by Poweradd. For full disclosure, Poweradd sent the Dee-G mini to Tech Valor in exchange for my honest opinion. Get detailed reviews and more by subscribing to Tech Valor. Unboxing. The outside of the box gives you the skinny on what this mini Bluetooth speaker has to offer. When you open the box, the Dee-G mini Bluetooth speaker is front and center for you to pick it up. Once that's out the way, then you need to dig out the black sponge protector and the small white box by inserting your finger in the small hole and pulling out both pieces. Inside of the smaller box, you will find a 3.5mm aux cable with Poweradd branding, micro USB cable, a velvet drawstring portable pouch, and user manual along with customer service card. How it works. The Dee-G mini Bluetooth speaker is designed with beauty in mind. The black fabric encases its 5-watt speakers and passive subwoofer. The rotating dial above is used to control the volume and provides a black touch screen to play or pause audio file and indicate connectivity. At the bottom you will find rubber feeties to keep the speaker in place and prevents damage to your surface. Lastly, behind the device you will find a 3.5mm aux port, LED indicator, micro USB port, and power button. It is recommended to charge the Dee-G mini Bluetooth speaker before using it for the first time. Plug the USB charging cable into the port and the other end to a DC 5V adapter. A PC's USB port will do just fine. The charging indicator will turn red while charging. Once it is fully charged, the light will turn off. Recharging the 1200 mAh lithium polymer battery can take up to 2 to 3 hours, and playtime is about 8 hours when the volume is at 50%. Poweradd noted in the manual that the speaker is not waterproof and to avoid any liquid or rain. Aux connection. The Dee-G mini prioritizes the aux connection over the Bluetooth connection. Even if you do not have the other end of the aux cable connected to a device, the Dee-G mini will not establish a wireless connection. When connected via aux, the volume on your device is independent with the volume on the Dee-G mini, so it is not enough to turn up the volume on the Dee-G mini. Make sure to turn up the volume on your device. Bluetooth connection. The Dee-G mini Bluetooth speaker uses Bluetooth 4.2 technology to connect wirelessly to devices. The connection range is about 33 feet or 10 meters. To get started, press the power button. Once it has indicated that it's ready to pair,
Bluetooth enabled.
Then go to your device's Bluetooth panel. Choose Dee-G mini and you will get a successful beep sound. The Dee-G mini Bluetooth speaker can only connect to one device at a time. In the future, when you turn on the Dee-G mini, it will automatically try to connect to the last device it was connected to. The speaker will enter pairing mode if there is no device available. When connected via Bluetooth, the volume on your device is in sync with the volume on the Dee-G mini. Sound test. I was not expecting so much power to come out of this small package. However, I did notice that the volume is higher when connected via Bluetooth versus aux. Either way, there was no distortion with the audio, and my table was even rumbling. With how powerful this little guy is, I can only imagine the powerhouse its older brother, the Dee-G, would be. vibrating. Call test. Poweradd advertises that the Dee-G Mini Bluetooth speaker has a built-in mic for hands-free calling. So I called myself and recorded how I would sound on the other end with the Dee-G Mini. Hello, Tech Valor. This is Miguelina Betty. I'm just giving you a call, and hopefully it sounds clear, doesn't sound too far away or anything like that. I'm about a foot away from the microphone in this little thing. Just wanted to test out how the outcome of the call would be. Bye.
Hello, Tech Valor. This is Miguelina Betty. I'm just giving you a call, and hopefully it sounds clear. Doesn't sound too far away or anything like that. I'm about a foot away from the microphone in this little thing. Just wanted to test out how the outcome of the call would be. Bye.
With these results, I would not recommend using it for a conference call or even a one-on-one call. Maybe if I needed to answer the phone to tell the other person that I'll call them back later, even then, I would just text them. My conclusion. I am pleasantly surprised by the Dee-G Mini. Though I wouldn't recommend it for calls, it's not a deal breaker. The opportunity with the design of the Dee-G Mini is that the black fabric can highlight lint that clings onto it. The innards of the dial can be a crub magnet, so I would recommend keeping it in higher places and away from youngings. The black touchscreen is a fingerprint magnet, but that's something that cannot be helped. I would suggest keeping a microfiber cloth to wipe it periodically, but I did notice that micro scratches started to appear. I was taken aback because I take good care of my tech. Lastly, knowing myself, I will most likely crank the volume at 100% when using the Dee-G Mini, so I can engulf myself in the music. The fact that it takes 2 to 3 hours to recharge in order to get about 4 hours of playtime for myself can seem like an unfair payoff. My solution to this is to connect the Dee-G Mini to a power bank when you suspect the battery will drain. I found it cool that it can still work while charging. I hope all of this information helped you with your purchasing decision. Please take a moment to like this video if you've come this far, share it with others who might find this useful, and subscribe to Tech Valor for more detailed reviews like this in the future. I'll see you all in the next review. In the meantime, Catwoman out!